4 days. Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand. Dito lang yan sa JC Premier.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Royal Caribbean Cruise, ang libreng travel ng mga taga JC Premier.
Ay, grabe, ang saya! First time namin dito sa Royal Caribbean Cruise.
Libre po ito, all expense paid trip.
I am the king of the world!
I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it, no, I love it. I don't like it, no, I love it. All out, turn the beat up.
Grabe talaga ang JC Premier. Nasa cruise na kami. And take note, naglalaro pa kami ng basketball. You know, power.
Dati, Jolens na laro ko ngayon. Golf na ako. Yes! Thank you, JC Premier.
Dahil sa JC Premier, nag-gym lang naman kami sa Royal Caribbean Cruise. Kasama namin si Miss Open Mind.
Bilisan mo, Wendy. Hataw na hataw.
You guys just sit back and take lessons from the pro.
We're now in Malaysia!
Andito kami ngayon sa Kuala Lumpur. Grabe! Bumaba kami ng barko para mag-ikot-ikot dito. Grabe, ganda pala rito, power!
Guys, sa Pilipinas, ito pasalubong namin sa iyo.
Galing Kuala Lumpur!
Grabe! Grabe!
It's great to be in KL with a great company, JC Premier. What an awesome team!
I love it, love it, love it, uh-oh. So good it hurts.
Good life indeed!
Nandito kami sa Royal Caribbean Cruise. Pa-party lang!
I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it, no, I love it. I don't like it, no, I love it.
Night, let me groove ya. Dance with me, turn down for who, girl? Another round to help us step the moves up. Yeah, but that round need a measurement ruler. Celebrate life and I'll pay for it. Like a body nice next to my tongue for it. Yeah, party all right, let's all aboard. Let's all aboard, all aboard. I don't like it, I love it. And the other girls, they can't touch it. Competition, that's a whole nother subject. I wanna walk it out in public. You a star, baby, just know. Let's go to the mansion or the condo. That's cool, perfect time, gotta let it flow. You know I'm watching, I'm watching.
Dito kami sa Thailand. Kasama ko yung kapatid ko, si Troy Montero.
Galing kami sa barko na yun. Papunta na kami ng Phuket. Grabe!
Andito na kami sa Phuket, Thailand! Thank you, JC Premier! We love you!
Lahat yan nakuha namin ng libre. Dito lang yan sa JC Premier.
Ang sarap talaga magbakasyon. Woo! Grabe! Sarap dito sa Thailand!
Sobrang daming pwedeng gawin dito sa cruise. Kaya ngayon, siguro mag-wall party muna kami. Sagad.
Ang taas nito, di ba? Sino? Para mga pangarap natin sa magitan ng JC Premier, kaya natin abutin.
When I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it, no, I love it.
Power! Ang galing mo!
I don't like it, no,
I did it! Next time, kayo naman!
Meet me at the studio. Bang a ring just like Rufio. Feel a bass, let your booty go. I wanna get inside. Run away for a few days. Think about love, baby, touche. Tied up like a shoelace. I don't like it, I don't like it.
Ito ang buhay na ino-offer ng JC Premier. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, gawin nyo lang, tinuturo namin sa inyo sa mga training definitely. Ito ang maghihintay para sa'yo.
Experience the luxury in life. Dito lang yan sa JC Premier.
This is a one-of-a-kind company.
Grabe binigay sa akin.
Thank you, JC Premier.
Welcome to the good life.
This is priceless.
This is an amazing experience that we're having. It's our first time on a cruise, and I'm having the time of my life. Hopefully with hard work and everything, you can come join us next time.
Power! Simply amazing. Power. Grabe! Sa JC Premier, kayo ang panalo.
Dito sa JC Premier, walang imposible. Lahat posible. Lahat kakayanin. Power! Grabe!
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Singapore. This is our last stop for our Royal Caribbean Cruise. Ang masarap sa JC Premier, lahat ng ito ay libre!
Guys, sa-summarize ko lang ha. Sa isang iglap lang, boom! Nasa Singapore na kami! At isang iglap, boom! Kuala Lumpur na! Boom! Phuket na tayo!
This is your CFO.
And this is your CEO. Till the next travel incentive.